Hi everyone, this is Jackie, and I've had a few questions about getting notifications on groups, particularly this group, of how you get notified when something is posted or when a video's up or when a Facebook Live goes up. So I'm on my laptop, obviously, so if you go to the group, which you can see the URL up here at the top, or you may have it saved on your Facebook, like your shortcuts. But anyway, if you come to the group homepage where you see this picture with the three flowers across the top, if underneath that picture right here you have notifications, and then you can click if you want to have notified when anyone posts, when anything goes up or changes, or only when there's a really popular post, or when it's just your friends posting, just your friends, or off and you want to come to it manually. I would suggest you do all posts. It's not that busy of a group, maybe 1 or 2 posts every day. Now, if you're on your phone, I don't have a way to record the screen on my phone, but if you're on your phone, you would go to the same place, to the group home page, and then up in the upper right-hand corner, you'll see 3 dots, and you click on that, and then you would click on, there's a little bell icon that says notification settings, and then you'd have these same options there, and then you just select the one that you want. So I hope that helps, not only for this group, but any other interest groups that you're part of, and have a great day.